Hi friends, welcome to another makeup video. Today I went a little crazy and did a very dramatic, cool toned smoky eye. You know I love a smoke show. Yeah, it's fun. Obviously I'm not going anywhere, but hey, a little glam never hurt anybody. So if you want to see how to get this look, please keep watching. Hi! So I've already prepped my skin and done my brows. So I am going to start with the Charlotte Tilbury Eyes to Mesmerize in the color Marie Antoinette. And just running that all over my lid. You can totally apply these with your fingers, but my nails are a little long right now considering my nails have grown out because I haven't been able to get my nails done, obviously. So they're just growing and growing. I'm just blending that all over my lid, not being strategic at all whatsoever. And I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Rock Chick palette, and I'm starting with that darkest shade, the smoke shade, and throwing that just on my outer corner and blending it into my crease slightly. And now just to blend that color out for my transition color, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Fawn and just buff that right in my crease. I like using this color when I'm using more of a cool tone look because it's just super neutral. So I'm not using too many grays so it doesn't get muddy. And then I'm going to go in with Noir, which is just black. I'm just concentrating that right on my outer corner. Really packing that depth. And then back in with that first color that we used it out of the Charlotte Tilbury palette, the darker gray color. And just blending the black and the fawn together. Then I am just going back in with fawn, just to ensure that there's no harsh lines. Lots of back and forth between these three colors for a minute. And then I'm going in with the pop shade in the Rock Chick palette with my finger and throwing that right on the lid. It's really hard to get in there with my long ass nails. And then again, back and forth between those matte colors just to make sure everything's nice and blendy. And I'm going to throw on some liner. I'm using the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Trooper. Just gonna wipe off some fallout. I always do my eyes first, and usually I can just cover it up with concealer and be good to go if I have any little bit of fallout, but since I'm using such dark, like cool toned colors, I didn't want to risk having any muddiness underneath my concealer. Adding a little bit more sparkle. And I am taking a little bit more black just to go over the liner, because I want this eyeshadow to be super duper smoky. Lash time. I have no idea what these lashes are, to be completely honest. Sorry. They're probably from Amazon. Aw, Peter. So cute. The one positive part of this quarantine is that all of our animals are very, very happy to have us home. And I know if you have pets, then you feel that. They're getting spoiled. Then I'm just taking some random little black eyeliner and tight lining. Time for skin. For primer today, I'm going to use the Le Blanc de Chanel. Very fancy. I'm using the Chanel primer. I love this primer. It's super smoothing without being drying and brightening. And I really do feel like it makes your foundation go on really, really nice and smooth. And then I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear with my Beauty Blender. Oh my god, you guys, I need my roots done so bad. I know we're all going through that. So sad. Shout out Jordan who does my hair, I miss you. I'm now going in with my Tarte Shape Tape. Putting it in all my usual concealer spots. And then just blending my concealer around my eyes, making sure everything's all good to go. And then I am setting my under eyes with my usual RCMA No Color Powder. Just throwing this under the eyes and then everywhere that I put concealer. And then setting my whole face with the Sephora Collection Micro Smooth Baked Powder. Whatever. The baked one. My fave. And yes, I am watching Real Housewives of New York while I'm doing this because I just can't stop watching it. It's like a sickness, like a disease. And then my bronzer, as usual, the Charlotte Tilbury Film Store Bronze and Glow in medium to dark. Just around the outer perimeter. And put a little on my chest since I'm just out here trying to be tan. for nobody. And then I'm going to contour with the Anastasia contour palette, medium to dark. Again, I feel like my complexion's so boring because I literally do it the same way every single time, but I'll try and switch it up. And then I'm using this old holiday Tarte blush palette that I found, and I'm using the middle shade, just kind of like a mauve blush shade. And then for highlighter, I'm using the Dior Nude Air #1. Nice pearly pearlescent. I wanted to use something a little bit more neutral, a little more cool toned for highlighter since our look's a little bit more cool toned. And then just lining my under eyes. Because my top is very, very smoky, I need the bottom to be very, very smoky. So it all matches. Then I'm just running underneath that liner with the dark gray shade in the Rock Chick palette. So I was just feeling my look for a second. Don't mind me. Now for lips, I'm using Charlotte Tilbury Love Trap liner. And then for lipstick, I'm using Huda Beauty liquid lipstick in the color Sugar Mama, which my lips came out a lot peachier than I really wanted them to, but it's fine. Warms up the look a teeny. But I'm obsessed with these liquid lipsticks. They're so comfortable and bomb. And there you have it. Voila. Super smoky, super dramatic. Loves it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you next time.